Alright, got our window area cleaned up here. Now we need to find out what's behind filler chunk 1, filler chunk 2, 3, and that glob of lead. And we got another chunk, lead, more dents. So, and I want to shave this, do something different with the tail light. So I think I'll just shave it and then decide what to do, even if this did kind of help out with the process. I just want it all clean and then we'll go from there. There's a weird little dent here. Sharp. Little one there. Right here. That's what was behind that filler. I expected there to be holes because there was holes up here where they've tried to pop it out.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Alright, so this sun gun is deep. And it looks like, I don't know, they might, oh, that wasn't good. Yeah, this isn't the way you do it. Don't see if you can pull out your own dent and then take it to the body shop. Just let the professional do it. My God, don't plumb a giant hole in it and then still not pull it out. I don't know what's going on here, some welds or something. If you're welding here, weld up that. My God, that was awful. I don't even want to start on the other one. That was a small one. Okay, so we got a genuine mess here. Not know what to expect, but it wasn't that. Whew, still warm. I'm gonna cut that out and just replace this section. This one, I need to try to fix it because that's just too big a panel to replace the whole thing. What's most amazing about this quote-unquote repair is there's a freaking access door that you take the two Phillips off right behind it. So they could have just knocked it out from the inside and been done with it. But we have a hole welded up here, a hole welded up here, and a hole that's not welded up. But when you're working this kind of area, it still is good to kind of pull it, get it into somewhat shape, and then cut out your piece, because you will have highs around this. You know, like this is all a hard high. The thing to remember about a dent is when it hits, it's like a meteor hitting the earth. It hits and then it pumps this circle out around it. So you'll have a high around a low, especially in steel, not so much aluminum. And then this is a whole nother, we're not even gonna acknowledge that for a minute. This beautiful tool that I'm using is called chunk of, what do you call these? Torsion bar. Chunk O torsion bar. You can find them on most GM trucks. weld in.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.